This is Lenovo tab P11 Gen 2, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can clear the app cache or app data on this device. To start, open the General Settings app, then find and enter the apps category. After that, open the app page or app info page for the application that you would like to upload or remove the cache or user data for. So let's say I'll go with Chrome. And in here, at the app info page, go for the storage and cache section and tap at the clear cache option. After that, you can clear all data, not only cache, by tapping at the manage space option, which is located right in front or to the left of the clear cache that we have just used, and clear all user data that this app stores or saves. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.